Hello people, it's Noah Hackworth right here, and we are going to do a comparison between the Hoover T-Series Pet Rewind, Dirt Devil Breeze Cyclonic, and the Dirt Devil Quickpower Cyclonic. So, shout out to Lindsay Parker, my algebra teacher that I no longer have. I'm in biology now, so here is I decided that first of all, you have this vacuum right here currently, and these are your old vacuums. So I would test your bad vacuums against your good vacuum. So anyway, we're going to start with the Dirt Devil Quickpower Cyclonic. So here we go. That did terrible. Maybe the brush roll wasn't all the way down. Oh. This is not on. Alright, let's try it now. Alright, after test number one, after that one did pretty terrible. Alright, now with the Dirt Devil Breeze Cyclonic. That did a little better than that. That one left a lot. Alright, so now it's time for the Hoover T-Series Rewind. So much better. Although it did leave a little, but it does a lot better. So, anyways, that does for the video.